Hello friends, welcome to Online Technique. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover missing all the desktop icons in Windows 10. Dear friends, many newcomers lost these icons while working on PC and can't get it back even after trying a lot. So, if you want to recover missing desktop icons, watch the video to the end without skipping. I believe that after watching the video, you can do the task easily. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. First of all, see, there is no icon on this desktop of my PC. So click right button of the mouse on the desktop to bring back the lost icons. Then put the mouse pointer on the view option. Then go to the right side. After that, go down slowly and click on show desktop icons. Dear friends, now see, here are all the icons have come on the desktop. But there is no PC and recycle bins icon on the desktop. In this situation, to bring them back again, click right button of the mouse on the desktop. Then you will see such a box. Now go down slowly and click on personalize. After that, you will see such this interface. Now go to the left side and see here is an option called themes. Now click on it. Then you will see another interface like this. Now go to the right side and see there is related settings. Under it you will see desktop icon settings. Now click on desktop icon settings option. After that, you will see a desktop icon settings box like this. In this box, you will see different options. From here, click on empty white boxes of computer and recycle bin. After clicking, it will become a tick mark. Now go down slowly and click on apply option. At last click on OK. Now cross this page. Dear friends, now see the icons of PC and recycle bin have been added on the desktop again. Now I am moving these icons in front of you so that you can see the icons easily. Dear friends, in this way you can bring back these icons on the desktop again. Dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.